Fantastic Friday, kindergartners! I'm so excited to be here with you today because I have a really super special announcement for you for something that is happening next week. I'm so excited to tell you, and I will in just a little bit. But first, we'll start with our morning meeting, and we're going to do another bug greeting today. Today we're going to do a bumblebee greeting, and this is kind of a funny one. You're going to use one hand as your flower, and you can have it spread out like this or closed. Maybe I'll make mine spread out like this. And then your other hand is going to be the bee, and you can use your thumb. This can be the back of the bee with his stinger, or you can put your thumb through this and do it this way. So I'm going to have my bumblebee and my flower, and my bumblebee is going to kind of fly over and land on the flower, and then he's going to say, I hope you have an amazing day, because bees like to buzz. So you can say, I hope you have an amazing day. Are you guys ready? Okay, get your flowers ready. Get your bees ready. Here they come. Bzzz. I hope you have an amazing day. Great job with our bumblebee greeting. Let's go ahead and read our message. It says, May 15, 2020. Dear butterfly experts, this whole week you've been learning all about butterflies, and I hope you enjoy watching what's been happening to our class butterflies. And today you're going to see the final phase of our butterflies, and you might even get to see me release them. I'm so excited. Today is Friday. You will get to do a special activity with butterflies for science today and have gym with Mr. Moostar. Also, we have our Google Hangout meet today at 9:30 to 10. Make sure to bring your yes and no sign. So yes on one side, no on the other, or you could have two, a yes and a no. Have a great weekend, and I heard the weather is going to be warming up. You know what else I heard? Next week, it's supposed to be in the 80s. I'm so excited. And part of my surprise goes along really well with the warm weather that we're going to have. Your Seesaw attendance post, though, for today is to complete the butterfly activity. So it's going to be an activity that comes in your Seesaw journal, and you're going to do the activity, and then you can post it for me to see. It's kind of fun. It's about butterflies. All right, before I tell you about our big surprise for next week, I want to do our student shout out of the day. And today, our student is a girl. And this student has a shorter name, but she has a really big personality. And I'll give you some clues. This person can sometimes wear her hair straight or curly. She really likes to use her imagination. She's very kind. She's a really good reader. And another big clue is I've known this person since she was about 2 years old. So I've actually known this person since she was very little, before she even came to kindergarten. Can you think about who it is? It's Emma! Emma is our student of the day! All right, so we're going to write Emma's name. Emma's name starts with an E, so we're going to write an uppercase E because it's the beginning of her name. Then we're going to do an M. We're going to do another M and an A. Lovely name. All right, let's look at her name and find out how many vowels. Remember, the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, and her name starts with a vowel. So I'm going to circle that. Oh, she has two of the same letter, but then here's another vowel at the end. So her name is kind of fun. It has one at the engine and one in the caboose. So let's count her vowels. I see 2. So I'm going to write 2 vowels plus 1, 2 consonants. Wow, Emma's name also has a doubles addition problem. 2 plus 2. That's easy. 2 plus 2 is 4. So Emma has 4 letters in her name. All right, are you ready to give a shout out to Emma? Remember, I want you to wave your arms, jump up and down. But if you have a baby sleeping, do it really quietly. If you don't, you can shout it out. All right, are you guys ready to give Emma her shout out? All right, here we go. 3, 2, one. Good morning, Emma. We're so excited you're here for distance learning today. We miss you and we miss your big imagination. We hope you're having fun at home and that you have a great weekend. We miss you. Bye. Oh, Emma, I hope that you heard all of our love sending your way. All right, next, we're going to do our fun poem of the week, and it's the Itsy Bitsy Spider. So today, your job is to count all the snap words. Oh, do you think you can do it? All right, I'm going to read it to you. And then as I'm reading, I want you to think if you hear snap words and kind of count them in your head as we're reading. All right, here we go. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. All right, I heard a lot of snap words in there. Let's go to the first line, and you can kind of circle them with your finger or kind of point to them on your screen. So the is a snap word. Did you see that one? Itsy bitsy spider. Those aren't snap words. Went. There's another one. Up. There's another one. The. Oh my goodness, there's 3 in this line. Water spout. Down is actually a snap word. Came is a snap word. The is a snap word, but rain is not. Is this one a snap word? Yep. And washed the spider out is actually a snap word. That's a tricky one. It has an ow sound. Oh, here's the word out again. Out came the sun is not. And, there's and again. Dried up is a snap word. All is a snap word. Oh my goodness, look at all these. The is a snap word. Rain. And, there's the word and again. There's the and is here a lot. The, that's here a lot. Itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Again is a snap word, but that's more like a first or second grade one, but that's okay. I'll still circle it. That's a tricky one. Again. All right, let's count all the snap words. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 snap words in one poem. Now do you see how important snap words are? All right, I'm going to move my face back down here. Here we go. Because now I get to tell you something super cool. Oh, I'm so excited. But first, let's fill out our calendar. Then I'll tell you something exciting that's happening next week. All right, today is the 15th of May. So I'm going to write a 1 and a 5. And there I see the butterfly because today is another butterfly day. And you're going to get to see what happens when the butterflies are ready to come out of their chrysalises. I'm so excited. This week is a weekend. So we're going to go ahead. Let's see. We're going to move our arrows over 1. Tomorrow is a weekend day, Saturday. Today is Friday, and yesterday was Thursday. Whoops, and I need to do our symbol. So let's see, we had bird, butterfly, flower, bird again today. So I'm going to move a bird over the butterfly. And actually, butterflies are a great treat for birds. So I hope when we release our butterflies, they kind of fly and hide so that the birds don't catch them. All right, now I want to tell you about something that is happening on this day. Do you see this picture of the beach chair? This is going to be our beach week. So I'm going to be reading some fun stories about summer and going to the beach and just fun things that you can do because summer vacation is almost here, boys and girls. But something else that is happening on our beach day. We are going to have a special kind of Google meeting together. This isn't going to be just a normal meeting. This is going to be something called Brookview's Got Talent. How many of you have ever heard of a show called America's Got Talent? Well, it's a show where people come on the show with a talent or something they're really good at and they perform it in front of the whole audience. Well, on this Friday, we're going to have our own kindergarten talent show. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. And on Monday, you're going to get a special video from me explaining how you can get ready for the talent show and what kind of talent you might want to share. Now, you don't have to share if you're feeling kind of shy or kind of scared, but there could be so many different things that you could do. You could show us how you ride your longboard. You could draw a picture for us and show us a beautiful picture that you drew. Maybe your talent is art. Maybe your talent is you can play an instrument. Maybe you can dribble a basketball. Maybe you can spin a ball on your finger. Maybe you know how to build a magnificent Lego object. Or maybe you have, you know all about a Pokemon character and you can tell us about it. Talents can be anything that you're really good at and you know a lot about. And remember, on Monday, you're going to get a video from me, and I'm going to be showing you an example of a talent that I've been working on. And then on this day, we're going to have our friends take turns, and they're going to show us their talents, and we'll be able to cheer and clap for them. So I'm super excited about next Friday. It's going to be our kindergarten talent show, and we're going to call it Brookview's Got Talent. I'm super excited. All right, let's keep going. And we're going to do the weather now today. The weather today is supposed to be sunny. So I'm going to go ahead and put a sunny up. And wow, May has sure been a sunny month. All right, we're going to keep going. We'll do our May tally. I only have 3 standing tall. So that means I'm just going to draw another one. Now I have 4 standing tall. And I'm going to erase the 8 because now we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've come to school in 9 days of May. Now there's been more than 9 days in May, but we've only come to school for 9 of those days. All right, and we're going to go to our last thing today, and I think we'll do a counting backwards again today. So when you get to 0, we're going to say blast off, and you can jump up in the air. All right, let's get our brains ready for working today. We're going to start with 25 and count backwards. Here we go. 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! Well, boys and girls, I hope your brain is ready for learning today, and I hope you have fun. Remember, your Seesaw post today is to post your butterfly activity, and I look forward to seeing you on Monday when you're going to find out more about our kindergarten talent show. Bye-bye. Have a great weekend.